question number 8 is somewhat new and refreshing. What they have here is mu is markup mu over effective wage cost per unit of production W by A. So what we need to write is that mu is basically P minus W by A upon W by A. So that is the result that we are going to use for mu. So mu equals to P minus W by A upon W by A, right? So this is going to be equal to AP minus W by W. So that is AP by W minus 1, right? So that is your markup. Now the real wage rate of workers is W by P. So if I rearrange this thing, what I get is that P by W is equals to 1 plus mu by A, which implies W by P equals to A upon 1 plus mu. So let me call this as equation number 1, right? And equation number 2 is given to me by W by PE is equals to A to power alpha into 1 minus mu to power alpha. So W by PE equals to A to power, I forgot it, what was A to power alpha into 1 minus U to power 1 minus alpha into 1 minus U to power 1 minus alpha. So that is your workers wage real wage wage setting equation. Now if P equals to PE, now if P becomes equal to PE, what this implies is that A to power alpha into 1 minus U to power 1 minus alpha must be equal to A upon 1 minus mu, which implies that 1 minus U to power 1 minus alpha must be A to power 1 minus alpha upon 1 minus mu. Okay, U is unemployment and mu is your markup. So these are different terms. So now A is directly related to 1 minus U. Alright, so 1 minus U is unemployment. So U is unemployment. So as A increases, this implies 1 minus U must increase, which implies U must decrease. Right? So rise in productivity level should have a negative effect on unemployment. So the result is going to be negative.